Okay, I wanted to show you a few other tools you can use and highlight some that I went over quickly in the other video. One is the orbit tool. This is your best friend when you're building 3D. Little swirly arrow guy, because it lets you turn your model all over the place. And we can see I left a hole in the bottom of my model when I was building it, which happens sometimes. You can just make a rectangle and fill it in. We have the pan tool, or the little hand that can scoot you all over the screen. You notice it doesn't turn, it just moves it flat. The zoom, which you click and you go back to go out and up to go in. You can also go in and out with the mouse wheel most of the time. I'm going to use the orbit tool to go back up there. And the paint bucket. Everybody loves the paint bucket. The paint bucket can do colors, or we can do materials. Since we're building a house, I'm going to use brick with the paint bucket to fill in my house. I'm going to turn them on around here with the orbit tool. Now you see in these different colors, the different colors on the faces represent the inside or the outside. And some people get picky when they build their models about what colors go where. I'm not that picky. I like to play in Sketchup, so I don't get too picky about what colors it is and whether it says it's technically the inside or technically the outside. But when you get into more complicated models, it will make a difference. Now let's put some siding there and some siding here and here. And there you go. Some other tools. Let's say I need to erase something. I just click the eraser and go over it. Oops, but I didn't think it was going to do that. So we're going to use Control and Z. And Control Z works in a lot of software, and it's going to undo. We can turn around and see that I just undid my eraser marks. And that's just a few additional tools you can use. Oh, the freehand tool. We want to do the freehand tool. You can also draw freehand and make organic three-dimensional shapes if you like. But again, if we don't want them, we can just erase them or Control Z.